Hello guys, this is Irina Kabak and I am here with you on my YouTube channel today. I want to talk about skincare this time. Moreover, I actually want to start a series of videos about how to look young, to share my knowledge as a skincare therapist, as a licensed esthetician with all of my followers and my future followers. I am 34 years old. Almost 35. I will be 35 in about 3 months. I take care of my skin as much as I can and I have an extensive knowledge that I want to give you guys. I don't have any makeup on me right now. You can judge for yourself. I do not have Botox, no fillers, nothing of that sort at this moment. Doesn't mean that I'm never gonna get it, doesn't mean I've never gotten it, but at this point I don't. To prove you that, I will actually show you that my forehead wrinkles, my eyebrows are fully operational. I do have some smile lines. But I believe that I take care of my skin enough that I don't look my age actually. So to start the series, I want to talk about the massage, self-massage, your facial massages that you can do on your own at home. And today I want to show you a lymphatic drainage massage. Two types of it, two ways of doing it with your hands and with the tool that you will see later. Lymphatic drainage for your face, what it does, it depuffs, it detoxifies your skin, which improves the skin elasticity and improves the skin color, so it gives you a very nice radiant complexity. It actually also improves the contour of the skin, and it will give you a long-term lifting effect, so that if you feel like you're aging at this point, or even if you want to slow down the aging process. Okay, so some contraindications to this massage will be cystic acne. It will be very painful for somebody to do this massage on themselves if they have active breakouts, very painful breakouts, under the skin breakouts. And also if your skin is sensitive, maybe consider the first type where I do it with my hands. So if you are interested in this topic, please stay with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video. And don't forget to comment on this video, because I like to hear questions from you, and I like to hear your ideas about what I need to maybe film next. bye.